You still driving that Altima? Not anymore. Traded it in last week. Guess what I got? No idea. Don't tell me a truck. Nope. Toyota Camry. Really? Didn't see that coming. Yeah, I know. I test drove a few things, Accord, Sonata, even a Mazda 6. But the Camry just felt right. Huh, people sleep on the Camry, but it's solid. What year? Brand new. 2025 model. SE trim. Sporty enough, but still smooth. Nice. Camry's been around forever. It's like the definition of reliable. That's exactly why I got it. I just wanted something that works, no drama. Gets me from point A to B without any surprises. How's the drive? Honestly, better than I expected. It's not a sports car, but it's got enough kick. Handles tight, doesn't feel floaty like some sedans. What engine did you go with? Just the 4-cylinder. The V6 was tempting, but I didn't need the extra power or price tag. Makes sense. I heard the 4-cylinder still pulls decent mpg. Yeah, I'm averaging 32 city and like 40 on the highway. It's great. I've already driven it to the coast and back. That's legit. Interior nice. Surprisingly, yeah, Toyota stepped it up. The materials feel good, touchscreen's responsive, and I got the black cloth with red stitching. Looks clean. Apple CarPlay and all that. Yup, standard now. Wireless too. Plus adaptive cruise, lane assist, blind spot monitor, it's loaded. Wild how all that tech comes standard now. Used to be luxury car stuff. Right, and the cabin's quiet, you barely hear wind or road noise. It just feels put together. I believe it. Camry's always been that no-nonsense car. Not flashy, but it shows up every day. Exactly. I needed something grown up. I'm done with cars that break down over dumb stuff. How much did it set you back? Right around 30K out the door. After taxes, fees, everything. That's not bad for a brand new ride. Financing. Yeah, 2.9% APR for 60 months. Payments around $520 a month. Not horrible. You planning to keep it long term? For sure. I'm not flipping this. I'm driving it until at least 200K miles, maybe more. You'll get there. Toyota engines run forever if you treat them right. That's the plan. Oil changes, tires, brakes, that's it. I'm not trying to be in the repair shop every month. You thinking about tinting the windows or anything? Maybe. I don't want to mess with it too much, but I might throw on some window tint and maybe black out the badges. Keep it simple. The SE already looks good. Sport grille, nice wheels. Yeah, I didn't want the Basela. The Say's got just enough attitude without being over the top. What about the TRD? That one looks aggressive. I looked at it, but I don't need a Camry with a spoiler and dual exhaust. Cool look, but not my vibe. Fair. You drive for comfort, not attention. Exactly. And this thing feels like a grown-up decision. I finally made a car choice based on logic, not just looks or speed. That's adulting, man. I respect it. Thanks. You thinking about upgrading soon? Maybe. My car's hanging on, but I don't know what I'd get. Camry wasn't even on my radar, honestly. You should at least test drive one. It's not just for dads anymore. That's what I hear. I'll add it to the list. Do it. You'll be surprised. It's like Toyota finally decided to make the Camry cool, without losing what made it reliable in the first place. Well hey, if I get one, you're the reason. I'll take the credit, and if you don't, at least ride shotgun in mine sometime. You'll see what I mean. Deal. Let's hit the road this weekend. Let's do it.